Hey guys, Sunny here. It's December 22nd, Tuesday morning, and we are trading natural gas. So, like overnight, the natural gas shot up about 3.2%. You know, yeah, that was like totally unexpected. But it could be due to, a report being released on Thursday. This week's report is expected to show a large draw because of the storm last week in the northeast. But I don't think it's gonna affect that much because we still have a lot of storage in gas. So yeah, I'm like down a couple thousand on my position. Yeah, like $2,553. I still have my 1,199 shares, mostly from last to last week. But it shows signs of picking out. 20-day chart and 180-day chart, they are both showing overbought conditions. So I just gonna hold on to my 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 shares, my 1,199 shares. I'll trade with some of the stocks. Like if I see an opportunity, I'm like I will still sell, even though it's at loss. But I will still sell so that I can buy at a lower price point. So like if you see this 1 day 1 minute chart, like all morning it's been keeping up this green SMA line, and then about 9 a.m. yeah, it like fell below that, but still keeping above the VWAP line. So it seems like natural gas is bullish today. So it went above this green SMA line a little bit, but still at the higher price channel. Let's see if it bounces down from here. Yeah, I'm baffled myself. Like, why is natural gas so bullish? Yeah, we have like additional rigs went online last Friday, and we are like back at like beginning of May levels. Yeah, I've been looking at some weather reports, these weather models, and the weather models are showing a warm week. This week is supposedly warm. Towards the end of the week, just couple days are going to be colder, but and then the rest of the December is going to be pretty warm. All right, let's see what happens today. I'll continue to hold on my shares for gold, and I'll trade with some of maybe like couple hundred shares, but majority I'm going to keep. 'Cause sooner or later, yeah, I mean like it's gonna have a correction, and they're like just 8 days left in December, so and we already coal and oil have already started tracking the natural gas futures from February. Historically, February is like the coldest month of the year, so like I mean that could be one reason that prices are higher for February futures. The 5 minute chart uh, looks like the MACD is crossing over. So on a 5 minute chart, it looks like the MACD is crossing up, and then on 1 minute chart, looks like MACD is going to cross downwards. Yeah, like towards the end of the year, it's holiday week. I'm expecting not much volume, so I mean the movements could be like more like sort of like a whiplash movements instead of like smooth movements that we see other times of the year. Yeah, it'd be like a good idea to like may take some days off from trading towards the end of the year. If you look at the 180-day chart, we have this green SMA line, 180-day SMA, and the prices are like already hitting that green SMA line. So I'm like, it could act as a resistance. A lot of other times it's approached it and then turned back, but this time it's touched it. And on 120-day chart, yeah, like the prices are like in overbought area. Yeah, like from here, most likely the prices will fall down. So yeah, I don't see any point of like selling off my shares. I'm just gonna hold on to them. If anything, I wish I had more money to buy more stocks. Still keeping below this resistance line, and it's near the upper price channel. MACD seems to be turning down. Yeah, it went so high, I'm like thinking there could be a big drop. Yeah, MACD RSI are like quite high on 1 minute chart. MACD is like crossing over. Yeah, the gas usage is projected to be low, at least for this week. and it's rising all morning on like very low volume. And the MACD has crossed down almost. But we also need to keep in mind that the winter storm last week was only in the northeast, and that too like it didn't last very long. And then rest of the country was like warm. So, one day being like extremely cold might not affect the draw that much. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Like we have ranges early in the week about the usage, but Thursday morning we will know like more accurately the predictions. The predictions will be more accurate on Thursday morning. And then of course at 10:30 we will have the natural gas report, but around 9:30 they update the predictions. Okay, 1199 shares, 2700 down on the day, 3400 down on the position. Yeah, like all of a sudden start moving much. Just around the time I went online. Yeah, like before the before the live stream, it's actually had been moving some, but as soon as I went online, it like stopped moving. And it looks like just consolidating sideways, not much movement. And like even the MACD is like going sideways. Yeah, that's like extremely weird. Like there's just no movement in MACD. It's pretty much straight sideways. We have Christmas on Friday, so Thursday the market's gonna close at 1 p.m. We have like basically 3.5 days of trading this week. Then again, like yeah, like most of this week I don't expect much volume. It started moving up. At least it started moving. So at least we know what it's doing. Yeah, approaching the highs of the day. Just set up an alert here. It yeah, came very close. It's keeping still keeping above the EMA line on the 5-minute chart. Sorry, 1-minute chart. If it let's see if it goes below that. Yeah, the EMA line itself seems to be turning around. So just went below the EMA line. So let's see if it continues to go down. The MACD on 1 minute chart has it's like almost crossed over. Alright, looks like it came down below the EMA line. It's still moving slow, but it's kind of keeping above the EMA line. It dropped below for a little bit, but then went back up. But yeah, let's see if the MACD makes a lower high than before. Okay, just went above the previous high of the day. One minute chart is showing overbought. 5 minute chart is approaching the overbought. Right back at the EMA line. Let's see if it crosses below. The MACD made like about the same height as before. So let's see. So there is no specific time for tomorrow's natural gas release. So I'm thinking it will be like midday. For example, earlier this year, like I think it was before Thanksgiving or some other holiday, it was like during midday, around 12 noon. Movements are like extremely slow. It's mid morning, but usually it's faster than this. And we had like a first candle, completely below the EMA line. And then we have this green SMA line as a resistance and also the lower price levels. Yeah, like even the price channel is like shrinking. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna have much range, most of the day. We'll see how it picks up, or even if it picks up like during midday, after the midday trading. Okay, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you know, prices are like kind of going sideways, and MACD is like making lower lows, lower highs. So yeah, let's see, if on 5-minute chart, if it would go below the CMA line. Yeah, unless it goes to below this VWAP line, we don't have the confirmation of the downtrend. It's continuing to drop. So now we have the price channel, lower price channel, and this green SMA line, to cross over to. Yeah, it's interesting that overnight there was like a good amount of trading overnight and early hours. Alright, still keeping below the EMA, which is good. Yeah, I mean, like weather being mild, yeah, I don't expect the prices to rise. I mean, there could be some frenzy, but it should subside quickly. Well, I don't see much movement. I don't even know like what to talk about. Just not moving much. It's kind of keeping below EMA, so that's good. But like to summarize, 20-day 1 hour chart looking overbought. 180-day 4 hour chart is looking overbought as well. So I mean, like even if it goes sideways today, like I expect it to fall. Fall like soon, like maybe in next couple days. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep holding on to my 1199 shares. I might trade here and there with a couple hundred shares, if I see an opportunity. But you know, like given overnight it surged up, most likely it will go down. I don't expect it to go further up. Alright, guys, I will end my live stream here. Get back to doing other things, and I will catch up with you in the evening. I will update you my trades that I did throughout the day. If I see an opportunity, I will do some trading. Otherwise, I will just hold on to my shares. Alright, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.